That's interesting. Your answer is kind of illuminating because I was doing something and I didn't know why I was doing it. I worked with a lot of small law firms. I understand that particular kind of business. And lawyers, when I meet someone who is a lawyer who is really good at sales, I assume, probably unfairly, but scary accurately, that they stink in the courtroom. And when I meet a lawyer who is a magician in the courtroom, I assume, scary accurately, that they are awful at sales because they're if they're the owner of the firm, they have to do marketing and sales as part of the business owner.
Yeah.
Well, I would often tell lawyers to go and read these, elementary 101 level sales books because I was always in sales. I always had to read all these sales books. But there are people who have been selling used cars for 6 months who know things that these, terminal degree attorneys with doctorates don't know. It's the psychology because you have to learn. If you've ever purchased a new vehicle, you've been in that situation where you're in a cubicle and they have your keys and they leave you there and they're pretending to talk to a manager about the deal and you're stuck and you might be arguing with your spouse about it and you have no control. Then they come back smiling and you were just looking and now you're going home in a new car. It's like, what the hell happened? Why have they been doing that in car dealerships for 60 years? Because there's layers on layers on layers of psychology in there and it works.